Are you still staring at your terminal waiting for Claude Code to ask for permission? Stop it. You look away for 1 second and your agent sits idle for 10 minutes. That's a productivity killer. I built a custom hook that gives Claude Code a voice. Now, every time it needs a yes or no, I get a sound alert instantly. I'll walk you through the process. Let's see how. First of all, I downloaded a sound file called classic sound, like it's just a wave sound. I'll display it over here. So it's just a simple wave sound. Okay, it just plays like this. And I copied this over to users administrator.claude sounds, and I created a folder for sound/approval over here. Okay, I placed the sound file over here. Along with that, I created a PowerShell script. See, since I'm using Windows, I created a PowerShell script over here. So I'll just show you the exact thing. Okay, I'll just zoom in a little bit. So this is how the script file looks like. Uh, I I have imported object for media player to play this sound file. I just gave it the file path over here, and the object I'm calling the method dot play, and this is start sleep time over here. So that's it. And I have saved this file in the same folder over here. Okay, and I'll just head back to the normal state. I'll just move to Visual Studio Code. All right, so this is the. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. All right, so I'll head back to the settings.json. So this is the same settings.json which is in user administrator.claude settings.json. Okay, so if we go back over here, it's just like two steps back. This one, settings.json. Okay, so what I did is I created a hook over here called permission request, and under that I created a hook called type of command, and here under command I'm executing PowerShell.exe file, and this is the file of the PowerShell script that we just copied in the uh, in this particular folder that I just showed you. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, 1 second, I'll just back to the. Okay, okay, so let me just. All right, yep. So I'll just type in something. Okay, slash. I'll just invoke this particular method, like this particular command over here, commit message. Okay. No, let me just modify something and try to. Uh, okay. Let's wait for a few seconds. We just asked it to execute a bash ls. Let's see. Let's add something in the preview. Okay, we'll just add a copyright message. Just trying to edit this file to see. See, while asking me for any approval, it is playing a sound now. So this is how you can create sound alerts. I will post this GitHub link in the comment section, like in the description of this YouTube video. You can get the code from there along with the instructions. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. See you next time.